Today on How To, I will be showing you guys how to set up a Galaxy device, specifically the A20. I don't typically do setup videos. This was a request that I got on one of the comments of a previous video, so I figured I would show you guys how to go through the setup step by step. I don't mean to rush, but this will go a little bit fast. Now, first you want to power up the device that you're using. You'll get the Samsung logo with the model name of the device you're powering up, followed by the Samsung sign. Here you see the T-Mobile sign. Depending on what carrier you have, this part may not show up. It may show their network, or if you have an unlocked version, you may not see this part at all. Here we are, starting Android. Let's just wait here. Alright, so the phone's ready to go. Here you can select your language and hit the arrow once you select your language. The first step is terms and conditions. We recommend reading them. I typically don't read them. I just breeze through it. I always want to rush and start using my devices when I get them. So now Samsung has a feature called Smart Switch built in that allows you to transfer information wirelessly or through a cable. If you have the little connector, I'm not transferring anything myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip this screen. If you do, you'll be able to transfer all your information, whether it's from a Samsung or an iPhone. Now it's going to ask me to connect to Wi-Fi. I'm not connecting to anything. If you do have Wi-Fi, connect to your home network, or if you have your SIM card in there, you can go ahead and skip that. Now the Google services, this is where the device asks you if you would like your Gmail to back up all of your stuff and if you want to send information to Google. Typically, I don't like my usage being sent to Google, but as far as backing up my information and files, that's okay with me. So that's all preference. This screen here is how to protect your phone. Now this device in particular does come with face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin, or you can select none. This helps secure your device and gives you the peace of mind. So whichever way you want to secure it, go ahead. There's no one that's better than the other. Face recognition may be the most secure, but I'm going to go ahead and skip this part because I'm just breezing by and showing you guys the setup. Now, getting recommended. So now the Samsung account is very similar to the Gmail. So if you have a Samsung account, you can sign in, and when you go from Samsung to Samsung, it also does back up your information through this cloud service that actually just transfers your information without the need of using Smart Switch. And next we have the T-Mobile terms. I just go ahead and accept those. It's similar to Google. One of them will ask you if you want to send your information or usage to help the network, and then here we're all done and we're here on the main screen. So if you have any questions about any specific devices or how to do something specific, please leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you guys.